Hey friend, and welcome in another Notion video. In this today video, I will show you my latest version of our Notion So Good Brain template, the 5.0 version. So let's get started and discover what we have inside this beautiful and amazing Notion template that will help you organize your life, stay productive, and also stay motivated to get all your things done. So let's get started. First, as the last version, we have the quick actions and nothing changed in this section. You can add a new task, resource, note, or a new book. You can add a new income or a new expense, a new transaction, or a new subscription to the finance tracker, and specifically the finance brain that comes for free with this template. And in the finance brain, you can organize your expenses, incomes, transaction, subscription, tax, monthly finance summary, and more. Moving on, we have our productive tasks manager. And here specifically, you will see today tasks. You don't need to see this week, this month, or upcoming tasks, only today. So you can focus on them and work on them. Here we have some different view. We have to do and doing. We have big tasks or flow state tasks that need high energy and they are so important. We have very low tasks, unuseful tasks, and done tasks. And once you finish your today tasks, you can easily organize your tomorrow tasks. Moving on, we have the today tasks progress, which calculates your daily tasks progress. And let me show you how. So for example, let's say this task is done. Now we can see that the progress is 30%. If this task also is done, we can see now we are so close and 60%. If this task is also done, we can see that the job done and our today tasks progress is 100%. Now we'll just bring back all those tasks. Moving on, we have the daily inbox, and here you can easily track your daily journal, your today habits, and check them from here. You can check your recent notes and recent resources. And recent notes and resources are basically the last 24 hours notes and resources that you captured. Moving on, we have our area and topics, and here we can access all your life area, and I tried to add all the life area that are possible. So if you don't need a life area, for example, you don't need, for example, social media, you can delete it. And from here, life area, you can see tasks, goals, projects or milestones, resources, and notes that are related to this life area, and many other features. You can see them here. Moving on, we have our review section, and here we can see the notes that need to be reviewed. And for example, once you reviewed a notes, it will be disappear from the review section. We have resources that also need review. We can see our past 7 days of journal and the books that need also to be reviewed. In the right side, we will see this Lofi music widget, so you can play it or you can add your own personal widget. So now let's move on, and we have this week section. And in this week section, you can see tasks of this week. You can see overdue tasks. You can see upcoming tasks, weekly habits, and you can check them. You can see this week income and this week expenses. Moving on, we have in progress section, and here you will see 2024 goals that you are currently work on that are in progress. You will see also the projects that are in progress, books that are currently reading and or notes in progress or ready for publication. Moving on, we have two toggles here, and once you open one of them, you can see, for example, projects progress chart, or you can see goals progress chart. And those charts are included in each page of projects and goals. Also, we have here the due dates or the deadline, and here you can see 2024 goals in a timeline view and also projects in a timeline view. So that's all what we have in the dashboard of our Notion So Good Brain template. Now, I'm gonna show you what we have inside each page in the Notion So Good Brain template, starting with the Para dashboard, which stand for projects, area, resources, and archives made by Tiago 4C. So once you enter this page, you will have quick actions here. You can add a new task, projects, or a resource. You can also check your tasks from here. So you can check to do and doing today tasks, big tasks, low tasks, done tasks, and those are related to today. You can see the upcoming, this week, no date, or all time tasks. Here we have projects, and you can see the projects that are in progress. So the projects can be in the middle, in progress, so close, or done. We have all projects grouped by status, and we have completed projects. Here we have our life areas, Then we have our resources. So we have recent resource, need review, resources by topics, bookmarks, tools, inspiration, reference, favorites, wishlist, or all resources. And finally, we have archived tasks, resources, and projects. So you can easily archive a task by clicking on archive it. Now we can see that this task is here, or a project by clicking on archive projects. So now we can see it here, or a resource also works the same. So that's all what we have in the Para dashboard. Moving on, we have our mobile access page, and this page made for specifically to use Notion Second Brain from your mobile. So once you open your mobile, the first thing you will see the quick actions, the finance quick actions buttons. You will see your life area. Then you will see today tasks. This week, you can check today habits and add your today journal. You can check recent resource or notes. And in the Para section, we also have the projects manager. So here we can add a new project from here. We can see all projects, in progress projects, completed, overdue projects, or archived projects. Also, we have the project deadline, and it also works the same. We have all deadlines by the year. We have in progress projects, overdue projects, not started and completed projects. Also, we have these progress charts that show you your project's progress and also how you can create it. As I showed you before, we have our life area page. Here we have the resources. So here we can add many different resources, topics, or tags, or by life area. So you can add a new pin resource that will be always pinned. You can add a new bookmark, new tool, new inspiration, new reference, new favorite resource, or a new wish list. Resources are organized by recent resource, pinned, reviewed resource, need review resource, resource by topics, or all resources. They are also grouped by tags. So we have bookmarks, tools, inspiration, reference, favorites, or a wish, and also grouped by our life area. So we have health resources, business resources, self-improvement, and more related resources to life area. Also in the Para section, we have archives page. So here you can check tasks that are archived, projects or resources that are archived, and goals that are archived as well. Moving on to the work section, we have two pages. We have the focus mode and GTD dashboard. So let's enter the focus mode. So the focus mode is a minimal version of our Notion Second Brain that will help you organize and focus on your daily basis tasks, projects that are you're working on, or goals that are in progress. So here you can add a new task, resource, or a note that we all add in our daily basis. Here you can check your today tasks progress so you can stay motivated to get all your things done. We have the work music section here. We have our life area in the left side. Here you can check your today tasks, today journal, habits, and check them. You can take a quick look on the recent resource and recent notes. And here we have the goals and the projects that are in progress. So that's all what we have in the focus mode page. Moving on, we have also the GTD dashboard that will help you get your things done. So here we have the first section, which is the personal tasks and schedule. So you have today, this week, this month, overdue tasks, and no date tasks. So let's say that this task should be done yesterday. Now, if we go to overdue section, we will see it here that this task is overdue by 1 day. Here we have today tasks. So you can only see today doing, flow state tasks, low tasks, done, and you can plan your tomorrow tasks here. Here we have also the projects that are in progress, all projects, completed projects, and just like I showed you before. And here we have timeline projects, and we have project tasks. So here, those tasks are personal. They are not related to any of those projects, but those tasks are related to a specific project. So for example, we have build my framer brand. We have this task and it's done. And if we open this project, we can see that this project is complete and 100% completed. So that's all what we have in the GTD dashboard as well. Now let's move on. We have the goals tracker system. So here you can add your goal from here. You can add 2024 goal or 2025 goal. Here you can check 2024 goal, this year in progress, this year completed goal, or goals by quarter. And here finally you can see 2025 goals, but now this video filmed in 2024, so there's no goal for 2025. Here we have the goal deadlines. So you can see goals that are in progress, completed, or not started. Also here we have this progress charts to track our goals progress. We have the live section here. We have the topics. So the topics basically are some categories of each life area. So for example, health and fitness, it could be, bodybuilding, it could be swimming, could be sports, could be a topic of football, something like that. If there is a business, it could be a topic of company, topic of maybe taxes, maybe employees, and something like that. Here we have the notes capture. So here you can easily capture your notes and organize them. You can add a new pen notes, new notes, or a new favorite notes. Here you can check notes that are recent, pinned, reviewed, need review, notes by topics, or favorite notes. And also we have here notes by life area. Here we have the journaling section that creates every day an automatic journal. And here we have 5 different templates for the journaling. We have today journal, which by default there is this journal, which is just a blank page, and you can write things that happen in your day. You can add your energy today, mood, picture of the day, things you are grateful for. That's it. But here we have 5 different pages. We have today journal that just I showed you before, which is by default created every day. We have today productive journal, which is more advanced journal. We have the weekly review that's created every week at the end of the week. We have the monthly review and the yearly review journal. We have also the life habits tracker, which tracks your habits. So we have 3 different views. We have the weekly view, today habits, and you can check them from here. We have the monthly habits, and you can check all your monthly habits from here. And also we have the progress charts that track your habits. In the right side, we have this discipline level, which calculates your all-time progress of habits tracker. It tracks from day 1 to now all the time that you track your habits. So if you stay disciplined and you do your habits every day, this progress will be 100%. I will show you that you are David Goggins level of discipline. Also, you can check your today habits from here. So you can check, for example, workouts from here. You can check wake up at 5 from here, sunrise, reading, and those stuff. And finally, we have the books tracker. And here we can add a new quote or a new book. So we have 2 sections. We have quotes that are from the books. And here we have 3 different views. We have random quotes, we have all quotes, and favorite quotes. So random quotes, basically, each time you enter this page, it will show you some random quotes from each book. Here we have the library, so you can see all books, fiction books, non-fiction, fiction series, self-improvement, history, and you can also add your own. Here we have the current reading books, and here we will show you that's currently reading, notes in progress, or ready for publication. And also there is a progress chart that tracks all your reading books. And before closing this video, we have the migration page, which will help you, when release a new version of the Notion Second Brain 6.0 to update from the 5.0 to the 6.0 just from this page, and you can upload all your old data from the old template to the new one. This template also came with a video tutorial that explains every feature in this template, because I didn't explain that much. And also we have some extra bonuses. So we have 4K wallpapers and some extra bonuses, and also the finance brain, which comes for free with this template. That's all what we have in this Notion Second Brain template. I've been developing this template for over a year and a half, and I've been using Notion for over 6 years, and I put all my knowledge and more in this template. Of course, I didn't explain everything in this template. There's also some extra hidden features in this template that you will find out, and I will let you explore them by yourself. I will put the link of the template in the link of the description below. Enjoy it.